What are you doing?
Look at this beauty. So, what I'm doing here, I started to eat in the morning or whenever I eat. Now we have like 1 p.m. when I feel hungry only. To start with fruits. No, before to drink coconut water and then only fruits after it. Why? Because it contains also water, and that means that everything that has water digests much faster, and you want that your food that is inside you digests as fast as possible, because not too stuck here. And of course for balance, because we also like other food and cook food we want to enjoy, but to have the balance, eat fruits in the morning and don't worry about calories and protein, because anyway you will eat them over the day and enough. So if I don't have to worry, why should you? Then after, of course, you can also enjoy other foods, like I show you. So first of all, you can eat whatever you want, eat, but just start with fruits and water. I promise you, you will feel better for your stomach and everything. Just try it if you have some problems. And then I recommend juice, to drink juice, or also before the fruits. Then a smoothie, protein smoothie. You can put with spirulina, hemp seeds or pumpkin seeds mixed with banana and dates, water. Very nice. And so you have for the first part of the day more liquid, so everything digests faster and you will feel the difference, I promise you. And then of course we are humans and also want to enjoy, and you can enjoy any food you want, like pasta with mushrooms, like gluten-free. Maybe you think, yeah, but what else you eat to have this body and your proteins and calories and blah blah blah. Yeah, I also eat cooked food, but like on the second part of the day or more in the late afternoon, evening. And here's some vegetable with quinoa, like teriyaki bowl, also soy meat and tempeh. And here in Bali we have so nice vegan restaurant. This is like crazy. You can get everything what you know, really, I mean it, everything from your taste and sweetness, like this in vegan. And so many other cakes and everything. And also I love banana bread. Amazing. So you can enjoy life very well with vegan food, also with raw food. Try it out, make your experience and stay effective. Wow, microgreens, best raw food stuff here. Sprouts, for example, this microgreens, which I add to my protein smoothie here. Hey! Oh, you're so sweet! Green Star juice, also good. Also good juicer. Nice. And they even have a filter system for the water. What? They also wash the greens, vegetable.